One-way switch. Two-way switch. Bed switch. Calling bell push switch. Fan-Regulator.
Board fuse. KitKat Fuse. Switchboard-Indikator. 2-pin socket. 5-pin socket. 2-pin plug top. Switchboard.
Extension board. Power switch. Concealed metal box. Pendant holder. Batten holder. Angle batten holder. PVC casing capping. PVC casing coupler. PVC casing elbow. PVC casing T. External angel casing caping. Internal angel casing caping. PVC junction linker. PVC junction box. Ceiling rose. PVC conduit pipes. PVC saddle clamp. PVC double nail saddle clamp. Conduit pipe saddle. Conduit pipe coupler.
Conduit elbow.
PVC conduit bend. PVC conduit T. Two-way through box. Two-way angle box through. Three-way conduit T-box junction. Four-way cross box PVC. PVC flexible conduit pipe. GI pipe clamp. Screw. Plastic screw anchor giddy. Screwdriver. Line tester. Digital tester. Mini hacksaw. Wire cutter. Insulation tape. Combination pliers. Heat shrink sleeve tube. Night bulb. LED bulb. Rechargeable LED bulb. LED round panel light. LED flat panel light. Fluorescent tube light. Tube light side holder. Bulb holder single adapter. Tube light bracket holder. Electronic choke. LED tube light. Remote control switch module. Main switch. Double pole MCB. DP switch. Earthing rod. Earthing plate. Earth rod clamp. Lightning arrestor. Spring wire connectors.